Hello everyone, today we make Ballon Croissant. This is very easy. We make this Ballon Croissant from debris or leftover of the dough of croissant. Very easy technique and very simple, and as you see, something different. You can present in your buffet, you can make it even plated dessert. Something very unique and very easy steps. All you need, just follow my instruction. This is the leftover, the debris of all croissant. I just press it, little flour underneath, and then I roll it, and I keep in the fridge just for half an hour to be set and cold, so it will be easy to use. Please, if this first time to watch my channel, I would love you make subscribe and leave your comment. Pasta machine. We put in pasta machine. Step by step we reduce the volume until to be 3 mm high. You cannot do small in one time. You just every step you have to reduce little by little to 3 mm until you have the right volume. The dough is ready. We cut rectangular or square, whatever size you like. You need sugar bomb. Very important to check first the size. After that you clean from the flour, because the flour will make distance. You clean little by water. After that you fold it with a spatula. You press the end and you make another fold, and you press again. Then you put sugar bomb. You close the edges. As you see, wow, very simple. Be sure you have to close direct. When you close, you finish, you close the hole very quick. That's it. You can make different shape. I make square, rectangular, big size, small size, is up to you. You can decide the size what you want, and really fantastic. And this finish, we leave to ferment it at least 40 minutes, and then we brush with egg wash. Egg wash after you fermented. It's only one time you egg wash. You egg wash and leave fermented for almost 30 minutes. After that we bake 170 without steam, because if you make with steam it will fall down. And as you see, I can make big one. The same process, 1 centimeter you press each side, and then you fold it again. You remove the flour, because flour make resistant. Again you fold down. You fold from the front. Make sure the sugar bomb in the middle, and you close before you bump. You see, it's like pillow. If there is a small hole, it will go down, so you make sure that you close every edges. Now is ready. One after fermented 170 without steam, and here it is, croissant ballon. Thanks for watching my channel, Ahmed Younes.